In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix footer smaller, quick and easy 2026 step-by-step tutorial. First, head over to Wix and open your site in the editor. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see your main toolbar. This is where you control the site's structure and style. Open the design area to ensure you're working inside the site itself, so the canvas and layers are visible and you can interact with the footer. Once you're inside the site canvas, take a moment to orient yourself. The footer lives at the very bottom of each page and is marked with a clear label. It's a global section, so changes here affect all pages that use the same footer. If you don't immediately see controls, click the footer once to select it. Next, open the Add panel. You don't need to place anything new. This panel simply helps you spot what types of elements can appear in the footer and confirm what's already there. If bulky items like big galleries or large text boxes are in the footer, that can force extra height. Now look to the top right of the editor for the device icons. Switch to the mobile view. Mobile has its own layout, so trimming the footer here keeps the phone experience tight and professional. Scroll all the way down until you reach the footer on mobile. With the footer selected, find the resize handle at the top edge of the footer area. Drag that handle upward to reduce the height. Move slowly, checking that nothing inside the footer is cut off. Keep elements within the safe margins, and avoid overlapping warnings. If content is crowding the edge, nudge items up slightly before pulling the handle further. When you're done on mobile, switch back to the desktop view using the device icons. Scroll to the bottom and view the footer there as well. Desktop and mobile can differ, so confirm that the desktop footer still looks clean, with enough breathing room for links, logos, and legal text. If the footer feels too tight or too spacious, make minor adjustments using the same handle until it looks balanced. That's it. Your footer is now slimmer and more polished across devices, giving your pages more room for the content that matters.